In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import subscribers with Kit. We're going to walk through the process using the 2026 Kit interface, step by step. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to bring in your existing audience and keep everything organized. First, log into your Kit account and head to the main dashboard. From there, look toward the navigation menu and find the section labeled Grow. This is where all of your audience building tools live. Click on Grow and then choose Subscribers. This will open up the area where you can see everyone currently on your list, as well as the tools to add more. Once you're on the Subscribers page, look for the Import button. This is usually near the top of the screen. Go ahead and click Import. Kit will now ask you how you want to bring in your subscribers, and you'll see two main options. The first method is using a CSV file. This is ideal if you have your subscribers stored in a spreadsheet, maybe exported from another platform or kept in a tool like a simple spreadsheet editor. Before you upload, it's a good idea to quickly open that file and make sure the columns are clearly labeled with things like email and first name. When you're ready, choose the CSV option, select your file from your computer, and upload it. The second method is importing from another provider. If your subscribers are currently stored in a different email or marketing platform, you can connect that provider to Kit using their API connection. Select the option for another provider, then follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be guided to authorize the connection and choose which list or audience you'd like to import from that service. After you've either uploaded your CSV or connected another provider, Kit will show you a mapping screen. This is a crucial step. Here, you'll match the columns from your file or external list to the fields Kit uses internally. Make sure that the column containing email addresses is mapped to Kit's email field and that the column with first names is mapped to the first name field. This ensures your emails are addressed correctly and your data stays clean. Next, you'll assign a tag to this group of subscribers. Tags help you organize and segment your audience later. You can pick an existing tag if you already have one that fits, or create a new tag just for this import. Many people like to use something like imported plus today's date so they can easily find this specific batch in the future. Once everything looks correct, click Finish Import. Kit will begin processing your subscribers, and after a short moment, they'll appear inside your subscribers section with the tag you selected. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can smoothly bring your existing audience into Kit and keep your list structured and easy to work with.